Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to verify MUSCLETECH Whey protein step by step. Start by locating the batch code on the lid and inner seal, then photograph it. Compare that batch code with the vendor receipt and your account order history. Inspect the label closely for spelling and font mismatches, and confirm the net weight matches the claimed grams. Keep receipts and photos for warranty or refund purposes. Check the label carefully and compare each element to a trusted reference. Focus on the serving size, grams of protein per serving, and ingredient order, because counterfeit labels often swap items or change amounts. Examine the font weight and spacing around trademarks and logos to spot inconsistencies. Photograph the full label and crop close-ups of suspicious areas to document any differences you find for seller disputes or brand verification requests. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear verification content. Quick recommendation: I recently tried a comfy pair of socks, and they fit the kind of dependable quality I look for in supplements. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Look at the packaging like you would a high-value item, because details matter. Inspect shrink wrap for even heat seals and a tamper ring that clicks or tears predictably. Remove the lid and check the inner foil or seal for factory embossing and consistent adhesive distribution. Match molded numbers on the container base with the batch code documentation, and feel the plastic for expected weight and finish to rule out cheap substitutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.